Today I will teach you how to make Tibetan style bracelet with hand-rolled cotton threads. In this bracelet the threads to be used are 1.2 mm thick hand-rolled cotton thread and 3 strands of gold thread. Take 2 lines of 1.8 mm long of hand-rolled cotton thread. Fold in half. Take the gold thread and start wrapping it on the cord. Wrap it around the middle position of the cotton thread. To tighten the winding while winding, the winding length is about 3 centimeters. Cut the gold wire and tighten the winding. Cut the excess threads and burn it. Here we tie a hidden snake knot to secure it. Then separate the threads and start braiding the corn knot. The first line takes the second line. Then put the second one on top of the third one. The third one is placed on top of the fourth one. Finally, pass the fourth strip through the hole in the first strip. Then the 4 threads are tightened at the same time. Then continue with the same method. The 4 threads are then tightened simultaneously. Follow these steps again and again. Keep knitting until the length you need. Then braid the 4-strand braid where the ends are adjusted. Follow these, move left thread to right and right thread to left. And up thread to down, down the rad to up. Its braid of 5 or 6 centimeters is enough. Gold thread to start wrapping it on the cord. It's about 0.50 centimeters long. Cut the cotton thread. Then spread out the thread. Connect here to make a flat knot coil for adjustment like this. Take the line we just cut at the end. Make a loop and fix the thread. Then take gold thread about 50 centimeters long. Fold in half in the middle. Tie the knot line. Then braid a 2-way flat knot. The length of this coil about 2.5 centimeters. Cut off excess gold thread and burn it. Then insert the coil into the bracelet. And tighten the coil. Don't tightly here, it should be able to be pulled. Then cut off the excess thread close to the root and burn it. In this way, the main bracelet is complete. Now you can hang up your favorite small hanging things according to your own preferences. We'll make a tutorial video on making these little gold leaves later. Let's take a brief look at how to make this little one. Bracelet is complete. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel for encouragement.